What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today is a brand new day. It's just me, Nick, and William. Nick is bringing us to some car dealership or warehouse, and then we might go to another one. Cut. We had to read a certain text, but anyway. So yeah, we're gonna check out this dealership that Nick is bringing us to, and then there's another one that we might go to after. Nick might test drive an R8, so that should be pretty cool.
If not, I just want to see it too, because it would be dope.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to Poppy Steak, and that's where shit's about to go down, guys. Poppy Steak ain't no joke. All right, guys. Actually, before we go inside, we're gonna get some food. But look at all the chairs are orange.
Lime Rock restaurant.
Dude, low key, bro. I wonder if I could take these home with me. Sheesh.
Yeah, bro.
That does look pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie.
It does look different.
It was a big burrito. Sheesh. William. Check this out, guys. Sheesh. Right off the bat. That's sick.
So this is another car that the owner of that car is a buddy of ours. So he bought that M3 and he bought this drift car. He wants to start drifting.
That's sick.
And yesterday we just
look at the lineup of cars, guys.
And then this is our Tex Mustang that's
sick.
Manual, makes like
oh my god, look at the tire size. Damn. Oh, look at the tire on it.
Get gas Bro, this car's violent.
That is wild. They got an E46 M3. Very nice. Gotta love the BMWs.
That is the prettiest one.
And then we got the E90 M3. Oh my gosh. This is Interlagos blue? Interlagos. Sick. Slick top too. Nice on BBS's. 6-speed manual. Very nice. That's clean. Very nice. And I like how he has the trunk paint matched, but it fades into the carbon up here. Exposed carbon all the way through. Look at the Porsche. Sheesh. This is nice right here. Look at that. Wow. Completely gutted. Very nice though. Another Porsche and another Porsche. This is clean right here. But yeah, they have a bunch of cars for sale if you guys are looking for a car. G80 M3. That is nice. 2023, so it's got the full screen, carbon roof, comp. Very nice. Another Porsche. Got the RX-7. That's a nice color, yellow. Damn, they got the RWB. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Fuck. Bro, that's sick. Look at that. Very nice. That's sick. It's my favorite right here. E36, the car yellow. Damn, that is so freaking nice. As you can see, they got a bunch of cars. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Damn. V-Spec. Bro, this one's so sick. Damn. So freaking nice. This is rare too, guys. If you guys know, super rare.
Brakes, and then it's factory carbon buckets. It's the loudest car here. It makes 660 wheels.
Damn, the cage is sick. Wow.
You gotta hear it. Someone's coming out to see it.
That is
All over you.
Is it loud?
that, bro. I don't know. I did not expect that
today, bro.
for sure. But look at that, guys. As you can see, they have a bunch of crazy Porsches, GTRs, BMWs. They have the craziest cars here. It is insane. Look at the E46. Holy shit, dude. That is nice. Damn, look at that engine bay. Got the wide body on it. There's a sick ass E46. Damn. Got the Skyline. They have so many sick ass cars. E39 M5. Got the Benz. Damn. It's crazy.
You can literally see like everything's been done. Kind of wild.
Check that out, guys. Got the Mercedes, the AMG, the GT. I think this is GTR Pro. I think it is. It's like same color as the GTS. It's like frozen gray. Another GTR. Oh shit. Yeah, that's sick. With the pink seats, dude. They have a lot of sick ass whips over here. Damn. Wasn't expecting that. That's for sure. Damn, this is a nice NSX right here. Sheesh. Bro, this whole freaking dealership is crazy, guys. Insane. This is a really nice one. Almost like the GTS color. It's got the Tiffany blue calipers. Sick. Tiffany blue on the little steering wheel. This is a nice Mercedes right here. Look at that carbon roof. So sick. Which car would you guys take inside this whole lot? Bro, there's just so many freaking cars in here that I wouldn't even know which one to take, honestly. Probably one of the GTRs, I think. I don't know. That E46 was pretty cool too. But so are the old school Benzes. Those are pretty hard to come across. They're pretty rare. But yeah, guys. So the owner of this lot here, that's his E90 M3 that was outside that I showed you guys earlier. So he's a big BMW enthusiast. But yeah, they work on cars. Like I said, they sell cars. They do a lot of stuff. It's pretty cool.
Euro motor. So the US motor is 240 horse. This is 280 horse. ITBs.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's
The car yellow.
They put an Evo 2 body kit and they did a 1J swap.
Bro. That's dope. It's so sick. Gosh. So many crazy cars.
You seen it?
No.
He talked about
Oh shit, I didn't even see it.
It has a Hayabusa motorcycle engine in it.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Holy crap, I didn't even see it. Look at that, guys.
Remember that? Yeah, I was telling about it.
Bro.
It's crazy, bro. Imagine how light it is,
Wow.
too. Bro, this thing is sick, too.
Nice. Yeah, this truck is gangster. I love it.
It's sick as fuck.
Oh, that shit's dope.
Look at the Evo too. Holy crap, dude. That's crazy. Think they're doing some work to it. They got the motor out. It's gonna be a crazy build. So I think this is the one that Nick is looking at, this G80 right here. 2023, full screen. Oh, it's got the Alcantara steering wheel already. Nice. Comfort seats. X drive though. This is nice though. G80. Oh shit. Look at the headlights. I just realized that. What the? That's pretty cool. He's got the CSL upgraded grille. He got the intakes. You guys can see that. This one I didn't film. This is nice too. GT3. Damn. Very nice. Got the cage back there too. They're telling me to go to the bathroom. They got something pretty cool in there. Damn, this shit crazy. Look how the bathroom was built. Oh my, bro. Transmission? That's crazy. That's badass. That side exit exhaust, you guys see that?
That's sick.
That is pretty cool. He has it in orange too. Damn. Sick.
You should supercharge your. If you're gonna keep it, do that. It'll be sick.
Sponsor me.
I'm down.
But yeah, guys, this is probably one of the cleanest E90 M3s that I've seen, and I love that the supercharger is orange. All right, guys, getting my new car delivered.
Let me know. It's not that bad.
Oh, the Fisker.
That's not it.
Dude, this shit is pretty sick. I'm telling you, it's a nice car. Sheesh. Look at the Bugatti.
Another V8.
Really?
But yeah, guys, apparently, ooh, look at the rolls. Rich. Damn. All over Ben, little Ben.
Is that the Spectre?
Nah.
Oh.
Bro, this is a nice color. It's green. V8?
Yeah, the green color is nice. You can't really see right now. But
Wow. I freaking love my new car. That is nice. I like the wheels too. This is a nice car. Green. Shit's sick. I feel like these are pretty underrated. A lot of people didn't give credit to these cars. Look at the interior. It's like that beige baseball. Dude, the interior is sick, bro. Look at the tire setup on that. Look at this, guys. Little mini BBS wheels. Guys, it is time to go.
Anytime, dude. Absolutely, bro. Yeah, man. You guys are always welcome, dude.
Yo, thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Whenever
Thank
you're
you.
in town, just let me know. But let me.
Sure.
Next time I'll like really like plan like a drive.
yeah,
and shit, so
this is so last minute.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
But yeah,
No,
next
but-
time pretty.
Rich G8 Series blue. Damn, Aries, I see you. Big ball in G.
You see?
Kevin, you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Comfortable.
No, it was more like Kevin because he's taller than me somewhere. Like, it would be comfortable.
All right, guys, we're in the top down. Going to Ocean Drive in the convertible.
Well, you can
We
see
got
everything
Aries,
in the
William, we got Nick. Look at the view, guys. So freaking nice. Miami nightlife is the best life, look. Can't wait to move here.
Where you can see everything. In
Literally, look at that, bro. Look at the view. So freaking nice. I feel like a tourist. So,
Look, we're underwater. Look. Look on the map. You can see we're underwater.
Yeah, but I can train now.
damn. Is that the A12? Competición? That is hard as fuck. Rolls Royce.
All the ballers here.
Ooh, rich? Look at.
People were saying, I can't believe Kevin didn't say rich next to Ro. You can't?
That is pretty sick. Wow. Sheesh. Look at that. We got the Cullinan. Big ballers. And what else do we have right here in the front? Bentley. That's a nice green color. Damn, that shit nice. Sheesh, look at that. We got the McLaren GT. That's pretty clean. You don't really see the McLaren GTs. And the G63 on monoblock wheels.
I want to try the monoblock.
Dude, look at the back of it though. Look how it looks. G83.
Rich.
Purple. Purple, rich.
Red, purple.
Damn, look at the Lambo.
It's a race with the bike. He's gonna step on it.
Sick. I literally seen that car last time I came.
Spider.
Rich.